How to remove your Google account from a computer. Hello, everybody. If you are wondering how you can do that, you may follow the steps. So, for that, first and foremost, you may open up your Chrome browser in which your Google account is associated with and click on your Google account. And you need to go ahead and sign out of all of your accounts from your Chrome first of all. Just go ahead and do that one. Once you are signed out, look over to the Gmail option and click on it. And then once that is done, you should be finding a Gmail account with a remove an account option. Click on it and look for the minus icon and click on it. After that, your account should be removed from this section. So in order to completely remove it, once your account is removed from this section, look out for the three dot at the top and go over to your settings. And you gotta delete the browsing history and everything. So look for the option of privacy and security. Open it up and you may scroll down from this section and look for delete browsing data. Now from here, you may just go ahead and select up your time, brains and everything and click on delete data. You may also go over to the advanced tab and look for your browsing history. You may check mark all of this like your site settings, your hosted app data and click on delete data. And once it is confirmed, your account should be removed from your Chrome. So this is how you basically remove your Google account from your laptop. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.